Hello everyone, today in this session I'll teach you all how to install Microsoft Office 2019 in a MacBook. So for that you need a setup file to install Microsoft Office. The link to download will be given in a description below. Open the setup file. Click on continue, and click on agree. And you can also change the location of the installation. I will keep it like that for now and click on install. Enter the password and click on install software. So here are some of the Microsoft products that we have installed. Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft OneNote, Microsoft Outlooks. So let's try opening Microsoft Word. Click on get started. You cannot further proceed without having signed in using our Microsoft account. So that means that the other option that we have left is to activate this product. So the activation part will be shown in the next upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.